Hello and welcome. This is the second video in this basement hallway project. I've already done color blocking down at that end of the hallway, and if you've missed that video, I'll leave a link for you to check it out. Now I'm focusing on this space, and this is the back entrance to the basement. That door leads to a set of stairs so you can go outside. I'm Anna, and I want to make this a welcoming entrance. My current plan, which may change, is to do a sort of board and batten look here with like wallpaper and hooks. And I have a really pretty and thrifted sconce that I want to put over on that wall. And I need to source a bench, but I'm first going to start with wallpaper. Now I'm used to the usual, like the traditional water and paste wallpaper, and this one's a peel and stick. And I've never done peel and stick wallpaper on a wall. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. The wallpaper is by Roommates. I picked it up at Canadian Tire, but it's available at a lot of different places like Home Depot, Walmart, etc. It's nice to work with. It peels off easily if you have to reposition it, but then still sticks well to the wall. And the paper has a good thickness to it. Well, the wallpapering is going all right. It would be easier if I had another set of hands, that's all. It's not that bad, it's just another set of hands would help. So I can put up the piece of wood that I stained. And I'm just gonna put some glue and some brad nails and then let that secure, and then we can add the hooks once we find them, because we haven't picked hooks yet. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put this strip of wood up. That's why I didn't care how jagged or whatever this looked like down here. I could kind of just go messy with that. Just gonna put my little piece of wood there. This is the piece of wood that's going to be attached to the wall. But first I need to stain it. I am going to start off with some pre-stain just for an even, nice finish. This stuff stinks, but it works. And then I'm going to be using Flagstone by Verifethane. And then after that, just some clear coat, maybe a couple coats of that. So, stinky pre-stain first. Okay, I have some glue to clean up because I smeared it all over the place, but not bad. And I have to add just another piece of wood right there. Ah, it's coming together. Yeah. My second set of hands is here. I patched up the holes made by the brad nailer. Because we're adding hooks for coats and bags, Ralph secured the wood board with these decorative but functional screws into the studs. He put up the sconce I thrifted and it looks adorable. I added the entrance table I made over in a previous video, linked below. Lastly, Ralph hung up the hooks. My brother, who lives in the States, picked these up at Hobby Lobby. I think the little flower detail ties in well with the floral wallpaper. I'm all done with the hallway makeover, and now it doesn't look like a basement hallway. It looks like maybe like the entrance to like a cute condo or apartment. So I think it's really adorable, and I'm happy with how it turned out. What do you think? Now remember, like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye. That was one take. Whoa, I get a prize. And this is the back entrance to this. This is the back entrance. That's it. Okay. Hello and welcome. This is the second video in this basement. I've not done it right yet.